Probes Unlimited has been in business for 25 years and we were looking to expand to Florida, and CareerSource Florida offered us an opportunity through facilitating the Quick Response Training Grant. Through that grant, we have been able to build the foundation for this business. They have not only provided us with funding to train individuals, but they've also given us a path to reach the workforce here in the community and show us a way to train those employees while they were here on the job. With CareerSource Florida, we were able to make the decision to put our capital into machinery, and CareerSource Florida is putting the capital into training the employees. We've been able to build the core team to train them, to give them a brighter future as we grow the company here in Florida. CareerSource Florida was there for us, and they're really there for any business that is looking to grow in the state. They have the pathways to success that you need to grow your business and to grow your business quickly.